you virtual, hybrid, or in the classroom, but a student is just absent on the day of a spelling test, and then the next day you have to carve out time to give the spelling test to them? Well, now you no longer have to because of TeacherMade. With TeacherMade, you can add an audio recording and then a spot for them to write the correct answer, and TeacherMade will grade it for you. How I did this is I went up to Insert, Audio Recording. After that, I dropped a box, and you'll notice it prompts you to record your audio. So I pushed the record button and I recorded myself saying the word and a sentence that the word is used in. I pushed stop and then attach to the worksheet. It dropped right here, and it was as simple as that. Next, I went up to Insert, Short Answer, and then I dropped a box. I resized it and it prompted me to edit the short answer. Here, you can change your point value and then you write the correct spelling. You push Save Changes, and now TeacherMade will grade the worksheet for you. It really saves me a ton of time, and I hope I inspired you to make some spelling tests on TeacherMade.